Your brain doesn't learn when you read. It learns when you struggle to recall. Most people never figure this out. They highlight, they reread, they take notes, and forget everything within 48 hours. Here's the system that actually works. Step 1. Scan before you read. Before page 1, spend 60 seconds on titles, headings, and bold words. Your brain builds a map. New information has somewhere to land. Without this, facts feel random. With it, everything connects. Step 2. Close the book right now. After every section, put it down. No notes, no peeking. Say out loud what you just read. The harder your brain works to remember, the stronger the memory becomes. This is called active recall. It's the most researched memory technique in science. Step 3. Review before you forget. You lose 50% of what you learn within 24 hours, 90% within a week. Not because you're bad at learning, because you never reviewed. Revisit on day 1, day 3, day 7, day 30. Each time, the memory gets locked in deeper. This is spaced repetition. It's how med students memorize entire textbooks. Not talent, timing. Scan, recall, review. 3 steps. Study like your brain was built for it. If this video helped you, subscribe.